Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Google Mixboard. In order to do so, here we are at labs.google.com/Mixboard. And what is Mixboard all about? It is an AI-powered concepting board that helps you explore, expand, and refine your ideas. And if you're interested, you can come here and click to get started. So we're going to go ahead and do that and go through the steps here. So pretty straightforward. We're already here on the main page, it looks like. So we're ready to start a new project. And from here, what do you want to create? So we've got select blocks, we've got add text, and we've got upload file. Okay, so if we want to upload files, we can. Let's go ahead and do that here real quick. Okay, so went ahead and uploaded a file, and we got this here. Select one or more blocks on the board and edit using natural language. Okay. Try selecting multiple blocks and combine them for new ideas. Very interesting. Got it? Okay, so we have our cool looking dragon here. Let's go ahead and try make the dragon purple. Let's try that and see how that goes. And now we've got a new block here and it's thinking about it. Let's see how long this takes. Wow. So there you go. With just by selecting the block and by putting in our details here, we are able to do this. This is really fantastic. This is a really great way of having one place for all of your images and being able to play around. So I'm assuming that this is connected to Nano Banana. And this is just a more dynamic way of being able to work with your photos. So Google Mixboard, very, very cool. Let's try this. What do you want to create? Let's create the digital wilds, a vast area of space. Cosmic winds. Let's try it out. So we want to make sure that we do not select something before we put that in there. So that way it creates a new block. And there we go. Just like that. So this is really incredible. I think that this might be an ideal way of being able to use Nano Banana. So this is very cool. Highly recommend it. Check out labs.google.com/Mixboard and you can get started yourself. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out and we'd greatly appreciate it. Check out our Discord. We're building a community there around AI animation. We'd love to have you. And check out our WAP course on how to make an AI music video. Click on the link there in the link tree. And for $30, we'll take you through our process and how you can make your own AI music video masterpieces. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.